In this video, I'll be sharing with you the 5 best products that you should try dropshipping right now. I've done a ton of research on each of these, and I truly believe that they all have massive potential. And not only will I share the products, but I'll be giving you a video ad, description, targeting, ad copy, and even competitor data. So let's get started with the first product. So for product number 1, we have this heated scarf. I think this product is perfect to test right now for the holiday season. It's pretty obvious why it would do well in the winter time, but if we dig deeper, we can see some huge potential in this product. As you can see, the only store really running this right now is a full-on general store that doesn't look that good at all. If you look at the comments, people get really excited about this product, and these are comments coming from the United States, so we know that they're not spam random people. And if you look at the video here, it really sucks. So if you can take this product, make a little bit of a better video ad, optimize the actual product page and website itself, I truly think that you can make a lot of money selling this heated scarf. If we do a quick search on Google Trends for scarf, which is a great thing to do to validate a product, you can see that right around this time, this product is starting to climb and trend upwards to the 100 level, which means this is a great time to hop onto something like this. To fulfill this product from AliExpress, it's gonna cost you around $13 with free shipping. So all day long, you could charge $39.99 for this product and make a pretty decent profit margin. Not to mention, you can easily upsell this with something like these heated gloves, or even take something like a heated jacket, and now you've taken your profits to even another level. And as promised, here's everything you would need to go out and sell this product. I have a description ready for you, a video ad, a thumbnail, copy, targeting, and a direct link to all the competitor data. This and every other product you're gonna see in this video came directly from my product research software, Viral Vault. We're uploading 2 new products every single day with everything you need to test them. So if you want to check that out, the link is going to be down below. Let's move on to the second product. This product has gone extremely viral with almost 3 million views. Essentially, it is a non-slip baby shoe that fits like a sock. The reason why I like this product so much is that Christmas is coming up and parents are predominantly shopping for gifts for their baby and for their children. I think this product is perfect for a gift. Based on the performance of this ad, it looks like this product is doing around 6 figures a month, and people aren't just buying one of these. They're offering a buy 2 get 1 bundle. So it seems like on average, people will come here to buy 2 of these products at least. It's always a little more challenging when somebody builds a full brand around a product for you to capitalize on it, but that doesn't mean that you can't get in the game. Baby shoes is something that is consistently trending all year long. So just because these people have done it does not mean that you cannot get into this industry. Especially with Christmas coming up, I think it's a great time to give this product a try. As you can see, this product literally costs next to nothing to fulfill. They advertise it as costing 1 penny, but I imagine after all fees and shipping, this product will cost you around $2 to $3 to fulfill. Which, even if you sell it for just $20, you're looking at a decent profit margin, especially if people are buying multiple of them. The Amazon reviews are great, the video ad looks good, it's super viral. I think this product is a banger, and I highly recommend that you check it out. Before we move on to the next product, I just wanna let you know that next week, I'm gonna be taking one of these products and challenging myself to see how much of it I can sell in 7 days. So make sure to drop a like and subscribe if that's something that you'd wanna see. All right, let's move on to the third product. This product is an absolute gem. So basically, it's another pair of these barefoot shoes, except these ones are extremely durable. As you can see, this guy was stepping on glass, he's running on rocks and different terrain, and the product is holding up extremely well. Now, I don't know how I feel about him putting them dirty shoes in his pocket, but regardless, I think this could do extremely well because it's unique, it stands out, it has that wow factor, and for anybody who's into outdoors, anybody that's into hiking, running, I think they would jump on this product and give it a try. The product is still relatively untapped. They only have around 540,000 views, and this product page looks nice, but I definitely think you can go and do something better. This is the description that my team wrote, going for the angle of socks that you can wear everywhere. I think it's a great selling angle that people would jump on. My only downside of this product is the price point is a little high to fulfill. It costs around $20 to ship just one of these. So to really be profitable, you would have to sell this around $40 to $44. But I definitely think there's an audience for it. We have a nice clean video ad for you ready to go. I would definitely give this product a test. If you have any type of store in the outdoor niche, I think this product can do pretty well. I think these next 2 products are the best ones in the whole video. So the fourth product is the Safe Lift Portable Lift Aid. Essentially, it's something to help older people with their day-to-day tasks. Most of the people that use Facebook are older anyways, so any product that's targeting that demographic is almost always gonna crush it. This product actually solves a massive problem for older people. Let's take a look at the video ad so you can get an idea of what the product actually does. It basically gives you the easiest way possible to help somebody stand up. And for two older people, it's pretty hard to just have the hand reach out and pull somebody. This makes it way easier, and I think people would really give this product a try. The profit margins are pretty good. It'll cost you around $15 to fulfill this, but I think you can comfortably sell this product for around $34.99 to $40. And if you look, there is a general store that has taken this product extremely viral. These people have gotten over 11,000 likes on this ad, and they're not even really branding this product, and they're really just hitting on the same angle that we talked about before. If you look in the comments, people freaking love this thing. They're saying, I wish I had one, I need one. Lightweight, we have one, it works great, we could use this, I want this for Christmas. So as a gift and as a product you could sell all year long, I think this one has so much potential. I would even consider building a full brand around this product because of the value that it provides. I think this product is an absolute banger, and you could always expand into other products that help the elderly. So you sell a bunch of this product, you get a good customer list, and you continue to market them more products. That is how you build a multi-million-dollar business. So I give this product 2 thumbs up. And for the last product on the list, one of my favorites is this custom photo necklace. So basically you can take any photo of a family member or a friend and turn it into a gold, silver, or rose gold necklace. It also has their name on the bottom, so a product like this can go extremely viral. You're gonna get a ton of positive feedback because of the sentimental value that something like this has. And since the product is custom, it'll make it really difficult for somebody to just go ahead and steal your idea. The profit margins on something like this are amazing. It only costs you around $12 to fulfill, and you can sell this for $30 to $40 all day long. If you look at the reviews, the feedback is amazing. She said, I bought over 300 items on AliExpress, and this is one of the best items that I bought. This person went and bought like 10 of them, and they love the necklaces. And look, I mean, even little baby ordered from there. They said the delivery took 2 weeks, and they honestly do a really good job. They took this picture and turned it into that. It's very impressive to me. If we take a look at the Viral Vault page and we go to the Facebook ad, you can see once again, this product has gone extremely viral, and they didn't even do a video ad. It's just a very simple photo, the literal default photo from AliExpress, and this thing got 11,000 likes and 6,000 shares. So if you were to take this and improve the marketing, which is extremely easy to do, make a nice website and a good offer, you can make so much money selling this product. I truly believe that this is probably the best opportunity on this video today. I mean, this ad copy is not so good, the ad is whatever, and if you go to the actual landing page, it's clean and it gets the job done, but there is a lot of room for improvement on something like this. You might be wondering how to fulfill these custom orders. It's really not that difficult. All you would need to do is add an app like this personalized image uploader to your Shopify store. And what this will allow you to do is let people upload their pictures directly when they place the order. And then when you go to AliExpress to fulfill the order, all you would have to do is upload the picture that your customer submitted. Drop a comment down below on which product you think I'm gonna test next week. The first person that gets it right, I'm gonna send you $100 on PayPal. If you wanna get 2 product recommendations just like this every single day, make sure to check out the Viral Vault. The link for that is gonna be in the description down below. I also do weekly live streams inside of there where I answer all of your questions, review your stores, product ideas, anything that you need. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day. Talk to you soon. Peace.